This video will show you how to attach the Skarper unit onto your bike. Here we have the disc brake rotor, and this is the derailleur. Next to it, we have the brake caliper. We also have the chainstay and the pedal cranks. Before fitting Skarper to your bike, you'll need to replace the disc brake rotor with our disc drive rotor. There are two types of rotor fittings, 6-bolt and center lock. Both are compatible with Skarper. First, remove your rear wheel. It is easiest if you shift to your lowest gear. Then release the rear axle. This is a through axle, but quick release is a similar process. Pull the derailleur back and the wheel should drop. Remove the 6 bolts around the rotor and make sure you are using the correct key. It's easy to strip a bolt. Remove your old disc brake rotor from the hub. Place the disc drive rotor onto the hub. Secure the bolts by hand first, then tighten them to the torque specified by your bike manufacturer. Make sure the disc drive rotor is correctly seated and that the spokes and disc drive rotor are not touching. Refit the rear wheel. This is the reverse process of removing it. Pulling the derailleur back again, align the chain on the smallest cog and then push the wheel into the dropouts. Finally, reattach the axle. Check that your brakes are working properly.